Welcome to Product Critique, where today we are diving into what is arguably the best flexible gas hose available on the market. The CALPOSE 15 feet 1/2 inch ID natural gas grill hose with quick connect fittings. If you're looking for a reliable, durable, and easy-to-use natural gas hose for your grill, pizza oven, heater, or other low-pressure appliances, this product might just be the perfect fit for you. Let's start with the build quality. This hose is designed with a natural rubber outer layer paired with a flexible stainless steel inner layer. This combination not only provides excellent weather resistance but also ensures the hose remains crack-free, rust-resistant, and durable over time. Whether you're facing extreme weather or regular use, the CALPOSE hose is built to last and maintain its safety and functionality. Installing this hose is straightforward, thanks to the 100% solid brass quick connect and disconnect fittings. These 1/2 inch fittings allow for quick and secure attachment and removal, making setup hassle-free for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The brass fittings also contribute to the hose's longevity, resisting corrosion and wear that often plague cheaper alternatives. What makes this hose especially versatile is its wide range of applications. It's suitable for connecting natural gas or propane appliances to an existing low-pressure supply, ideal for many outdoor and indoor gas appliances. Whether you're hooking up a Weber natural gas grill, a generator, a patio heater, a fire table, or a pizza oven, this hose provides a dependable gas flow that matches your appliance's needs. Speaking of size, the 15-foot length with a 1/2 inch inside diameter gives ample capacity to ensure efficient gas delivery. This makes it perfect for medium to high-capacity appliances that demand steady and reliable fuel flow. The hose's size also means you can position your appliances flexibly without worrying about gas supply interruptions. Safety is paramount when dealing with gas connections, and CALPOSE doesn't cut corners. The hose passes quality certificates and is designed to prevent leaks, ensuring a safe connection every time. The combination of high-quality materials and precision fittings gives you peace of mind during operation. Additionally, the hose's color and design are practical. Its gray color complements outdoor setups, and the robust construction means it withstands the wear and tear of outdoor environments without losing integrity or appearance. If you consider the technical details, the CALPOSE hose measures 180 inches long, weighs just over 2 kilograms, and comes from a brand dedicated to combining craftsmanship with innovation. CALPOSE's commitment to quality is evident in every aspect of this product. Before you buy, make sure your appliance specifications require a 1/2 inch inside diameter hose, as this size is designed for appliances needing a higher volume of gas flow. It's also important to check your appliance's fittings to ensure compatibility with the 1/2 inch quick connect and flare fittings offered by this hose. In summary, the CALPOSE 15 feet 1/2 inch ID natural gas grill hose stands out for its flexibility, durability, safety, and ease of use. It offers excellent value for anyone needing a high-quality natural gas hose that can handle a variety of applications without compromising safety or performance. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. Until next time, stay safe and keep your appliances running smoothly with the right tools.